Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to share you how to use sort and filter in Excel. We can go to data where we can find sort. So I'm going to show you the basic usage of sort. We can go through the sort. I'm sorting names in the list, cell values A to Z. That means ascending order I'm sorting. Click on OK. We can find the sorted name list. So it starts from A. So use Ctrl Z for the previous action and go to data again, click on sort, click name again. We can change descending order Z to A so that we can find it in descending order. Again Ctrl Z for the previous mode. If I want to sort instead of cell values, if I want to sort cell color or font color, I'm just using the cell color, changing the cell color, one blue and other one in different color. So I'm just selecting the area, go to data again, click on sort, name. Instead of cell values I pick cell color, so we can pick any color. I'm choosing here blue color. For starting point on top we can see there first cell color on blue, starting with blue. So we can change it in font color also here. See, if I change the font color, the cell color on top, it will automatically change. So we can change it. We can change font color also here. So select it. Select the range. So before that, I'm go to data. Change the one font as yellow color. Check the font color here, starting from yellow. Click on OK. So the starting point starting from yellow. So we can sort it on font color, cell color and cell values. These are the basic things. So now we can go through filter, that is on the data also same. Click on auto filter, click the whatever we want to filter, we can pick it. In case we need to pick it in color, click on color, so it will change it as from yellow color. Text filters, in case begin with some letters, we can enter the letter here. So starting with S, whatever starting with S, it will display here. It contains, anything contains E, I entered E. So whatever contains E, it will display while filtering. I hope you understand this short video. Thank you for your time.